the markets here at 415.43. Sorry, I was kind of actually, like, I was off watching the AMC Bed Bath & Beyond moves, and I actually got a little bit of a better entrance here because I wasn't paying full attention. I was supposed to buy right at the red line at 415.55 here. Hey, I got a 12-cent better entrance by not paying attention. I mean, it's not good to not be paying attention, but I guess in this case it worked. Alrighty. We're getting a nice immediate bounce our direction. Wow, a really nice immediate bounce. We're up $30 or $28 we're up. I don't know why the daily P&L is not loading. Oh, there it is. There you go. We're up 31 bucks immediately. Nice. We sell into the green line, right? Actually, I know now that I have this cool little thing where it shows me on the charts, I know where the sell is. I'll just put it right there. 416.67 is the sell. It's actually still 50 cents up. We're looking for another 50 cents in this trade. Can it be a really nice win? Can this be a really nice immediate win? Let's see. Are you going to add not paying attention into the strat? Sometimes you can not pay attention and actually get a better entrance. No, I mean, it was a mistake to not be paying attention. Yes, it worked this time, but I was paying attention, right? I was on this chart watching. I was watching AMC and GME because they're both ripped into halts, which is crazy. I was watching SPY here. That's why when I saw this dip, I jumped over quickly, but I just wasn't paying attention to my trading screen. Alrighty, we're up 40 bucks. That was very fast. I mean, one candle, we're up 40 bucks. But we don't get out yet, right? We got to get out where we're supposed to. Trade it like a computer. Trade it like a computer would. In exactly where you're supposed to, out exactly where you're supposed to. I was watching your YouTube looking for your TOS setup and couldn't find either. The setup is here. The algo is here. There you go. I give it all away for free, baby. I give it all away for free. That strategy video might be slightly off. I think the only thing off about it is that I have now set the red and green bars to have the 10-cent offset built into them. So now you don't have to like look at the red and green bars and do the math. Now that the offset is built into the bar, so now you just buy and sell exactly at the bar. GME halts? Yep, GME's halted. GME and AMC are both volatility halted. AMC resumed. AMC resumed. The meme stocks are flying again. Wow, 26.5 AMC up 20% today. Bed Bath & Beyond is up 53%. Wow, 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 wow. Very, 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 very cool. Love to see these meme stocks fly, man. Brent, let's get retail interested in the stock market again. Let's get everybody interested in the stock market again. Let's get these things flying. Our trade is I mean, we're still up very nice. This candle's kind of petering out, but didn't quite get the push up to the sell that I was hoping for on this candle pretty immediately. But stocks don't fly straight up, right? Maybe it's just taking a little breather here before the next up move. On the next candle here in about 25 seconds, the sell condition comes down about 13 cents to 416.54. How has Bed Bath & Beyond not been halted? Up 50%. It hasn't made the, it's 10% in 2 minutes it has to do to get volatility halted. Okay. This is a sell. We're selling into the green line. Nice. Oh, I think I was like 5 cents short. I'm not going to lie. I thought that was like just into the green bar. So I didn't go like sell. Yeah. It's about 8 cents shy of what I'm supposed to sell. Whoops. Damn. When that opened, I thought it was at the green bar. So I just hit flatten. Whatever. I mean, it was like 5 cents. And we got a 15 cent better entrance. So, nice. First trade of the day, 52 bucks. Pretty easily. And we're long. There you go. 416.98 we are long. Okay. We have this PL open thing turned on our active trader this time. So if it goes to 417.72, which is my current sell, we'll make $37. Yeah, I don't know how much I like this. I don't think I'll leave this on in the future. It's like, look at how much you will be up if the price goes there. Like, I don't know if I'll leave this on in the future. It's interesting. It's interesting, but I'll probably turn it off. I feel like it's just like as another way to scare you out of a trade instead of getting out where you're supposed to, right? Like, just get out. It's another reason to like exit early because you're like, oh man, what could I be down? Like you could scare yourself, or like, oh man, look at how much I'm up. Like I don't know. It's interesting. It's interesting. I don't know if I care that much about it. It's interesting. Different strokes for different folks, right? Okay. The system is in, as you can see, the exact same place that we got in. Now let's see. Did the sell condition move at all? Nope. Still 417.72 for this bar. Next bar it comes down to 417.51. You got money on that Pets move? Nice. That's what you get for being in stream and having it called out, Andy. You're welcome. I'm taking all the credit for your trade. You're welcome, Andy. YouTube. If you guys are like, man, how does this guy find stocks that are moving during the day? I have a scanner and I stream for free over on Twitch. If you want to know what stocks are moving on the day, come over, join us on Twitch. If you don't know what Twitch is, it is a live streaming platform owned by Amazon. It's nothing sketchy. It's just like Google owns YouTube, Amazon owns Twitch. It's just a different platform, more curated, better curated for live streaming than YouTube is. My commission is on the way, thank you. On $33, what's that? About 30 cents? I'll take it. There we go. We're green in this trade, but obviously getting out where we're supposed to. No need to worry and or celebrate yet. We're up 63 on the day now, currently. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if you guys should expect this to see this in the future. Let me know what you guys think about it. I mean, do you guys like seeing this here? You guys probably can't even read it though, can you? Like, can you guys even read these numbers here? Maybe you can. If you're watching in HD, up the quality to 1080p, maybe you can see it. Okay, 417.52 is now the fudge. I just missed because my TOS is so laggy. Cancel. God, dude, TOS is so laggy today. It like moved my screen, so I clicked 417.39 there. 417.52 is the exit. You can read them? Nice. Okay. I mean, maybe if you guys like it, like maybe if it adds to the content, maybe I'll leave it on, but I don't know if I care too much about it. Not stream worthy in my opinion. Yeah. All right. Red candle. We are back to break even in this trade. Unfortunately, not quite pushing up enough for us to get out. We weren't up much anyway. We were up like $15. Like, where's the big fall? Damn it! On what? The meme stocks or on Wow, Bed Bath & Beyond is sub 11. I mean, it's still up 32% on the day, but it's sub 11. AMC is back down sub 25. Definitely pulling back, the memes are. You guys on YouTube, shout out if you guys are in those stocks. Let me know. Rep them in the comment section down below. Who's in Bed Bath & Beyond? Who is in Bed Bath & Beyond from $4? Congratulations. You're up a crap load. Very, very nice. Deep value investors, we're looking at Bed Bath & Beyond at $4. Talking about the short interest. I was saying, you know, yes, Bed Bath & Beyond is a dead company, so it's very heavily shorted. But just because it's heavily shorted doesn't mean it's going to fly. You've got to get bulls interested in it, and you've got to get bulls starting to buy. That happens, and Bed Bath & Beyond is flying now. See if they can now continue, because now shorts are going to, you know, it did just go from $4 to $13 in like 4 days or 5 days. So now shorts, like, are going to be re-shorting at 13, right? Like, can the bulls keep buying and keep now squeezing the new shorts that are entering at 13 on Bed Bath & Beyond? We're moving our sell order down to 417.41. No big continuation from this pullback. like the rest of the day yet, but it's holding. SPY is holding. You know, it's up 0.85% and holding its gains, SPY is. By the way, we talked about this on stream, but let me talk about it here on YouTube too. SPY is right at the high of this consolidation zone back here. 418 is the high of this big consolidation zone back here. If it can get over that, this push like starts to look more legit, right? Oh, by the way, we're out. Nice push. We're out of the trade. We made 22 bucks in that trade, and we were up 73 on the day now. Here, let me. I have to click back on this so my PL day updates. There, we're up 73.50 on the day now. Really, really nice. Anyway, let me continue my thought. If SPY can break this 418, break the high of this big consolidation zone, it's gonna give this push like a lot more legitness. You know, it'll be the first like kind of macro higher high broken in a long time. We'll see. I do think SPY needs a pullback. It has been less than a month. SPY's gone from 370 to 417. That's a ridiculous move. Like, SPY probably needs to take like a healthy bull breather, honestly. So keep an eye on that as well. But we're right back in. Look at that. we sold like the exact high of this bounce, and now we buy the dip again. That's kind of funny. Alrighty. Hey, right back in. It's a 3-trade morning again, chat. You guys don't get a lot of 3-trade mornings. SPY's volatile this morning, though. SPY is volatile this morning. Let's see if this one can push right back up again. It's volatile and strong. I mean, we're up $73. Unclosed positions right now. See how this one goes. Yeah, I think I'm going to turn off this PL open thing. I don't care about it. If anything, it's just distracting. Trey's playing the dad playlist. We do got the classic rock on this morning. I like the classic rock. Some people get offended when I call this classic rock. I mean, 38 Special is definitely classic rock. What, this song is from the 80s? Hold On Loosely by 38 Special. YouTube, you guys can't hear it, but I'm guessing 87. Let's look. Hold On Loosely. 38 Special. Release date. Oh, 81. Wow, even it's very 80s. It's very 80s, yeah. I said 87. I was even 6 years late. Hi, YouTube. Yep, you guys say hi to YouTube. They can see your chat. Be nice to YouTube, Twitch. YouTube, say hi to Twitch. You guys play nice. And this candle gave us a little bounce. We're kind of break even right now, though. We're definitely break even now. We're literally break even. Gave us a small bounce, but no big immediate continuation. No like big immediate V bottom. Kind of like we got in the first trade. The first trade was so peak. We entered, the low of this candle is 415.40. Our entrance was 415.43. The entrance on this first dip of the day is peak perfect. Like, and then just sell the rip, buy the dip, sell the rip, buy the dip, look to sell the rip. We'll see. There you go. Proven strategies. Objectively defined proven strategies. And I'm still trading. My number one issue is that I want to protect my profits too bad. Like I used to, like when I took this first trade and made 50 bucks, I would stop trading. I'd go, I'm up 50 bucks on the day, I'm happy. But you can't do that because there's gonna be red days. Inevitably, there's going to be red days. We all know this. You've got to like proportionately make the money you're supposed to make on the green days to offset what you're gonna lose on your red days, right? Like, you can't just like protect the profits. Get off. You have to be comfortable with, sometimes I'm gonna be in a green day and it's gonna end up going red because a trade's not gonna work and it's gonna suck. But you've got to be comfortable with that so that you can maximize the profits on the green days that, you know, do make $200-300 on a green day. Like, you've got to be able to hit those $200-300 green days as well, right? Once you prove a strategy, every trade in that strategy has positive expected value, right? Which means you're supposed to take all the trades. Of course, expected value is not the same as winning. You're not going to win every trade, but If it has positive expected value and you get in and out where you're supposed to, then you did the right thing. That's what you got to do. I'm mostly saying this out loud for myself because I kind of like, in the back of my mind, I kind of feel myself like wanting to just exit this trade up $80 on the day and walk away from the computer. But I know personally that I have to not just protect the profits. Like I have to capitalize on the trades. So I'm mostly saying this out loud to help myself. 38 Special is my favorite band? Really? I don't know who my favorite like band is. I don't know. My favorite song is Carry On Wayward Son by Kansas. It's my favorite song. I don't know if I have like a favorite band. I don't know. Red Hot Chili Peppers I really like. I really like Green Day. I feel like it'd be between those two. Red Hot Chili Peppers and Green Day. For my favorite band. This trade has just been kind of bouncing sideways since we've entered. I mean, we're up $7, but sell order still set up there at the green line where it's supposed to be. It's about to come down. The sell order is about to come down to 417.16. It's actually about to come down quite a bit. The SPAR closes in 20 seconds. Metallica, Journey, Pink Floyd. You guys are old. Sorry, you all kind of stepped into that one. 417.16 is now the sell. Set the sell line there. With great taste. Those are all great bands. They are, for sure. But you're all showing your age. Even Red Hot Chili Peppers and Green Day, Gen Z would say I'm showing my age. Like, you guys are fucking statues to Gen Z. Like, they probably don't even. I mean, most of them don't know Journey, Pink Floyd. They might know Metallica. I feel like Metallica's kind of big, but wow, this trade is really, really choppy, huh? SPY's very indecisive here. It's holding its gains. I mean, it's up 0.8% and holding its gains, but just, I don't even need much of a perk up anymore. Like, the sell line came down. I don't really need, like, I'm still looking to make about $20 in this trade, but okay. Speaking of small perks, here we go. We're 15 cents away from the exit. 20 cents away from the exit, should I say? Can we get 20 more cents? Nope. Nope. Immediately pull back. It doesn't know what it wants yet, does it, SPY? Doesn't know what it wants yet. Wow. Really? Really? This candle's gonna go red. Really? This candle's gonna go red. Come on, SPY. I don't know why I'm complaining. I'm up $80 right now. I can't be complaining about the SPY moves today, but wow. I'm gonna bitch anyway. Maybe it wants to come down. I mean, maybe it's about to die. The fact that, like, it's up here and, like, can't continue. Maybe it's about to roll. We'll see. We'll see. Doesn't matter. I'm supposed to get out when I'm supposed to get out. I trade it objectively. Trade it like a robot, right? Trade it very objectively. Sell order still at 417.15. It came down 1 penny on this bar. Literally came down 1 penny for this bar. Do you have a YouTube video on what is the best exponential line? I don't think there is, like, a best exponential line. You have to prove it for your strategy, right? That's the point of, like, technical analysis is useless if you're just looking at lines. Lines don't mean a damn thing. It's not, people get mad when I say that. I'm not saying you shouldn't use technical analysis, but when you draw lines or when you use indicators, you should know the win rate around using them, where you're supposed to get in and out exactly around using them, and what the win rate is around that. It's not like just put on the 100 EMA. Like, it doesn't mean anything until you prove a strategy around it, right? Like, there's no just, like, I don't know if anything I'm saying makes sense. Hopefully it does, but there's no just, like, one correct answer. You have to prove a strategy around the indicator, right? prove a strategy around the lines that you draw on your chart. Don't just draw lines on your chart. All right, Spy. Are you going to come up at all? Can we stop this ugly chop? How long have we been in this trade? I guess it's only been like 7 minutes. It feels like a lifetime just dealing with this chop. It's only been like 7 minutes. But... come on. Okay, you broke 417. 10 cents. 10 cents away. 8 cents away. Oh, the sell order actually goes up a little bit now. This bar is now the highest of the last 5, so we go 10 cents above it now for our sell. And it's just going to turn back over. All right. Cool. Yep. Makes sense. This trade. Sell orders now 417.19. It went up 4 cents on that candle. Okay, nice. Buyer stepping back in, getting a bottoming wick here. Back above 417. We're up $15 in the trade. I had the Top Gun soundtrack on cassette for years. Top Gun soundtrack is good. This song slaps. We're listening to Danger Zone right now, YouTube. That's why Top Gun's coming up. This song's so good. Dude, the new Top Gun movie, so good. Dude, when it was first announced, I told myself I wasn't going to go watch it. Because I love, Top Gun is one of my favorite movies. It's top 5. So when they announced the sequel, I was like, no way. I'm not going to let them ruin Top Gun for me. But then once I started seeing the reviews, I was like, okay, I'll go watch it. It's very, very good. Maybe the best movie theater experience I've ever had. Not that it's my favorite movie I've ever seen, but just the movie theater experience of the jets and the adrenaline of that movie. It's so good. So good in theaters. Oh, fuck you, Spy. Fuck. So annoying. Why not run the strategy with options trade? We will one day. We got to grow the account. My current risk exposure has to be this size. A normal drawdown. I don't want a normal drawdown to be able to take me back under PDT. And honestly, that could actually still happen, even if we get a normal drawdown. Because with any strategy, you're going to have drawdowns, multi-day drawdowns. It's going to happen. I don't want it to be able to take me under PDT easily right now. That's why I'm trading 50 shares of SPY, right? As we grow the account, we'll go to 75 to 100 shares to 200 shares because we do get 4x leverage with Thinkorswim for day trades. And then, further down the road, we'll look at options, futures, as the account grows and grows and grows, and we can afford a larger max drawdown on the account, right? That's why. I could take one option. If I took an options trade right now, one option trade on any kind of size, one red trade could take me under PDT. I could lose $300-400 in one trade, and I'd be close to back under PDT. And it's just a normal loss, right? You can't allow just normal losses like that to damage your account that much. You can't be in a trade where you're afraid to lose. Does that make sense? Because then you're over leveraged and you're emotional. I'm not afraid to lose on 50 shares. I understand there's going to be red trades and I'm not afraid of them with the size that I'm trading in my account size. Speaking of losing, we're going to lose this trade. Oh, SPY. Oh, SPY, you little minx. Why push up? Why push up? Get 7 cents away from my exit and then roll. Why do it to me, SPY? Why tease me like that? You're an IT consultant. You make a shit ton of money. So your wife, I'm assuming you're selling not the rest more money. No, the money I make, I put into investments though. I don't just continuously add money into my day trading account. I did up to 25K. I did that up until 25K. But now my paychecks go into investments. And please invest your money. I say this all the time. look, I know we're all gonna hit it big. We're all gonna create the strategy that solves day trading, and we're all gonna buy mansions from day trading. But just in case you don't, invest your damn money too, please. Please invest your damn money. Like, the 25K I have in this account is less than 1/6 of what I have in the market. Don't look, I get it. I get it. We're all genius traders, but invest your freaking money. Who'll be on another hour or two? I'll be getting off after this trade. Whenever this trade closes, I'll get off. Ow. Can we bounce back up? Was this not the death candle that rolls SPY below the 40 RSI and stops us out? Like, can we bounce back from this? Can. Anything can happen. We're still just going to get out where we're supposed to. We've recovered from way worse. What do you main with your long term? What do you mean, what do I main? I'm moving my Roth IRA. I'm currently rotating from individual stocks into VOO. Right now, half my Roth IRA is cash because I've actually sold a bit of individual stocks on this giant SPY rally. I've sold a lot of my individual stocks on this SPY rally because I, one, want to take advantage of this giant bounce in what could just be a bear market rally, and two, I want to roll that money into an S&P ETF. I'm done trying to manage individual stocks in my IRA. And then I have my 401k is in mutual funds because that's all my company allows. I have 50% in large cap mutual funds, but 25% is in one and 25% is in another. And then I have 25% in medium cap mutual fund. And then I have a 25% in foreign stocks mutual fund. That's my 401k. All right. It's trying to bounce back up. This trade's been really boring. Just so sideways. But hey, it's gonna happen. They're not all immediate buys and sells. Sometimes we are trading SPY. Sometimes this happens. Any crypto? Yep, I have a little bit of Ethereum. A very small amount. If you consider my entire portfolio, it's probably even too underexposed, my crypto. It's like 1/120th of my entire money I have in the markets is in crypto. I have Ethereum. I have a little bit of Ethereum. I honestly should probably expose myself a little bit more to the high risk, high reward nature of crypto, but whatever. I'm happy with where it is. That SPY prediction? Oh yeah, did it close above VWAP? It did. Yep. 1030 closed above VWAP. Congrats above VWAP predictors. Wow, actually, I wasn't paying any attention. That was close though, because it did break down below VWAP and then it turned back up just in time for 1030. It turned back up just in time. Actually, I need to make sure. It did close above, because I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. I need to look at the 1-minute chart. Lamborghini. Dream car. Go. 1030 close was 417.77. Yep, it was above. It was above VWAP. Congrats. Oh, wait, do I need to adjust this cell? I do. The cell is now down at 417.14. We're back to green in this trade, funnily enough. You're live, Stoby? Nice. I'll raid you after I get out of this trade. I'm excited. We're gonna go learn how to get our back test into Python, chat. So instead of having to work around the limitations of backtesting with ThinkScript in TOS, Stoby's going to teach us all. He's the guy we just did that interview video with about his algorithmic trading. He's going to teach us how to get our code into Python so we can really, really backtest against a lot more data with a lot less limitations than TOS have. Excited for that. All right, Spy, would you like to perk and close me, please? Come on. Come on. Let me out of this freaking trade. Come on. You're still negative 500 on AMD. The AMD short. What's the channel's name? I imagine he's streaming on his channel, so I imagine it's Stoby. If you click his name and go to his thing, you should be able to see him if he's live right now. All right, 417.04 is now the sell. Can we just get a little 20-cent perk? I need 20 cents. 20 cents, Spy. Can you give me that to me, or are you gonna roll again? Oh, this trade. Oh, this trade. We're up $78 on the day. I'm not gonna complain, but this trade has been anticlimactic. After the first two really nice just bang 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 wins. This is like long sideways. And it's not going to come up again. All right. Fuck me sideways on a Tuesday, I guess. Not going to go up again. I just want to get out of the damn trade. At this point, I just want to get out. Ooh. I did not trade today. Enjoy the baby. I am enjoying the baby very, very much. Pen is just grinding today. Good. Sports betting going up. How much is my, what did I say to enter full screen? How much is my, speaking of my Roth, how much is it up today? Portfolio. Wow, I'm up $495 in my Roth today. Nice. Nice. Once again, not that it matters. Your investment account single day gains don't mean anything because I'm not selling, but it's still cool to be up $500, I guess. It's still a cool number to see. Holy shit, Spy. Just gonna roll again. Just roll. I mean, at this point, just roll. Come stop me out. Like, let me get out of this trade. I wanna end this trade till I go hang out with my son. I'm trying to end stream. I'm not trying to hang out with these degenerates any longer than I have to. I want to go cuddle my baby. Let me out of this damn trade, Spy. I don't even care. I mean, I'd rather make money, but come on. I was supposed to end 6 minutes ago. Damn. Hanging out with degenerates on Twitch instead of my own child. That's what this trade's got me doing right now. Oh. All right, 40 cents up, Spy. Actually, like 35 cents up, and I can get out. Come on. I'm trying to make like $15 in this trade at this point. I'm really not even swinging for much. Okay. 10 more cents? 10 more? 10 more? It's really been rejecting this level, though, recently. Come on, Spy. Let me out of the trade. Spy, bro. I'm only looking for like $15, bro. I'm not even like really trying to make money in this trade. I'm just trying to get out. But I refuse to not get out where I'm supposed to, because you have to get out where you're supposed to. Still 10 cents away. Just go. Do it. You guys ever seen Starsky and Hutch? Do it. Alrighty, well, I give up. I'm going to go to sleep. You guys watch the trade for me. I'm going to wait till I hear the ding. I'm just going to sleep until I hear the TOS noise, okay? You ever been in a $20,000 position and not have to watch your charts? It's pretty cool. I haven't heard the noise yet. Oh, wait. Woo! I heard the noise. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I get to end stream. We're up $89 on the day, Chad. That is pretty good. Not too shabby. 3 trades on 50 shares each. $89 just like that. Nearly 2 points of SPY in the first 1 hour on just 3 trades, pulling 2 points out of SPY on a day where it's largely sideways, to be honest. I mean, it's gapped up and was strong out of open, but largely sideways. We're able to pull 2 points out of this in an hour on 3 trades. That's pretty damn good.